Live breaking news.
Nearly 100,000 customers have lost power.
200,000 customers.
300,000 customers now.
765,000 customers.
6.5 million customers.
All of the electricity is out.
50 million people without electricity.
How could something like this happen again? Energy experts say it's actually not that surprising.
Shouldn't it surprise us that we have the technology that created a computer that fits in our pocket, but we still have power grids that are routinely shut down? Shouldn't it surprise us that we still burn dead dinosaurs for electricity and risk ruining our drinking water to make fuel? We think it shouldn't surprise us. It should anger us and inspire us to make a change. We think the reason that more people haven't switched over to renewable energies like solar is because of a lack of education.
And we're here to do something about it.
Now that you know us, ask yourself this. If we gave you a solar panel, battery, and all the necessary materials, could you connect them and power your cell phone right now? We found that most people answer no to this, and it's not their fault.
Why not?
Why not? First of all, it's not taught in classes. We checked. After reviewing the required state standards for every state in the USA, we found this. These 3 green states teach solar power explicitly, and it's required. These red states never mention anything about solar power at any time, from kindergarten through senior year of high school.
Imagine if instead of being left in the dark, every kid knew how to make their own circuits and build their own power generation systems. We constantly talk about how the children are the future. But shouldn't we prepare them to solve the problems they will face?
As a teacher, I saw firsthand how adhering to the educational standards imposed by the state leaves little room for additional education throughout the school year. It's simply not realistic. Therefore, I created a curriculum that would clearly supplement the existing educational standards without adding additional material to the teachers. Not only will we provide solar energy education, but we will supply all the materials necessary for the children to learn these important skills.
We have been designing a curriculum that is fun, engaging, and actually gets these students hands-on knowledge of electricity and solar power. In addition, our experience with video, photo, and social media allows us to design resources that break the traditional school model and allow these students a way deeper understanding of the material at their own pace, and with a resource they're all too familiar with: YouTube.
People say solar power isn't applicable and hasn't come far enough to affect our daily lives. False. And to prove it, we're building a solar-powered vehicle that will transport us and our materials from location to location across the country.
You heard that right. We're packing our educational kits into our solar-powered van, and we plan to hit the road teaching our curriculum throughout the country.
As you saw from Sunny, we're in the midst of planning solar road trips across the country in which we plan to reach at least 5,000 students and be able to give them hands-on solar power workshops. In addition, we have a scholarship program so that low-income schools or those with limited resources can have access to this material, kits, and the curriculum while we're on our journey.
However, we cannot do this without your help, which is why we created this campaign and came up with great rewards to show our appreciation for your pledge.
We value each and every dollar donated by this awesome community because in doing so, you are investing in the education and empowerment of the children.
What better legacy can we leave them?